Hi guys, it's March 20th. I think it's the first day of spring. Happy spring, everybody. I am going to be planting my snapdragons in this garden bed. I have about 50 snapdragons, and I lost a lot of my snapdragons this winter. It got down into the single digits for many days, so I lost pretty much all of my snapdragons. I had a bed here of like 70 a couple years ago, and last year I lost just a few, but I'm going to be planting them today, and I'll show you guys what they look like and what it looks like afterwards. So it took me about an hour, and I planted about 100 snapdragons in this space. I plant them about 4 inches apart. I found that it works perfectly fine. These are Potomac, Madam Butterfly, and Rocket. This over here is little daffodils popping up with some perennial alyssum and some feverfew. And I planted a few snapdragons over here, and then there's more daffodils over there. So yeah, I'm hoping the landscapers don't damage these when they do the leaf blower. They usually come in the spring and blow all our leaves away. So yeah, I'm going to water these in, and then my next project is over here. There's a shovel there. There is this juniper or some kind of shrub here that has gotten a little overgrown, and honestly it's not doing anything for the space. This is the front of our house, and I bought a couple of hydrangea bushes at Costco, and I'll show you guys those in a second. Deer will eat the hydrangeas, so I have to spray it religiously until it gets big enough, and then hopefully the deer will leave it alone. But I know deer like to eat, they'll just chew down small shrubs, so I have to be religious about spraying the deer repellent. But I thought it would look nice to have a couple hydrangeas in front of our house. Excuse the mess, we still have a shovel from our last snowstorm. So this is the before, and I'll show you guys the after. Okay, you guys, I dug them out. I'm completely out of breath. Those are some daffodils I stepped on. But I just dug up these 2 juniper bushes, and the roots were really deep, and I'm like out of breath. It was a lot of work. But now, tomorrow I'll show you, I bought 4 little hydrangea plants. I think they were $16.99 for 2 at Costco. So I got like a blue and pink one. I think it's like a double mop head type, and then I got Cherry Explosion, which is like a hot pink. So I think I might put the blue and pink ones over here and put the hot pink somewhere else. I think I'll definitely just have 2 here, but I will do that tomorrow because I need to shower and take a break. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll show you guys a tour of my basement seedlings tomorrow. Thanks for watching.